Hey everyone, welcome back to Yahya's Research. Well, here we will talk about anything. We will talk about tech, strategy, innovation, and etc. Today we are tackling into a big question that hits right at the intersection of technology and sustainability. What is that? Can data center, the huge power-hungry machine that we rely on every day, really go green? Let's break it down. What a green data center is, why it matters, and why it's important for us, and whether we can make it more planet friendly. Okay, here, first thing first, the power hungry reality. Okay, the data centers, and why are they power hungry in the first place? Basically, a data center is a giant facility that stores and processes massive amount of data. Think every video you stream, every email you send, every app you check, all of it relies on data centers. But here's the catch. All of this computing take a crazy amount of electricity. On average, data centers worldwide consume around 1% of electricity, and it's still growing fast until now. So, why the green matters? Why should we care? Well, a lot of data centers run on a non-renewable energy, so they release a big carbon footprint. To put it in the perspective, the electricity for one data center can power tens of thousands of homes, and if they are running on fossil fuels, that's a huge load on the environment. So, making data centers green is more than just a trend, it's about sustainability for the whole tech industry. So, how is the solution? How can data centers really go green? There are some exciting solutions out there. One big one is, of course, the renewable energy itself. Imagine if data centers were powered by solar, wind, or hydropower instead of coal or gas. And it's happening. The tech giants like Google and Amazon have already started shifting to the renewables. Another innovation is efficient cooling system. See, data center always generates a ton of heat, and cooling them down will eat up a lot of power. But now, green data centers are using tech like water cooling, free air cooling, and even AI-driven climate control. So, talk about the numbers a little bit. Let's throw in some numbers. If a standard data centers use about a million kilowatt hours a year, and we switch to a renewable source, we could cut emission by about 700 metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. Now, multiply that by thousands of data centers worldwide, and the potential for carbon reduction is massive. It's like taking tens of thousands of cars off the road annually, plus the efficient cooling system can cut the energy used by 30% or more, meaning you will have a major saving for the companies and also the environment. If we talk about the ROI, you might be wondering, is this really worth for business? Yeah, it's worthy. Going green come with upfront costs, like setting up a renewable energy sources or installing the advanced cooling. But here's the kicker. A green data centers can save companies serious money on energy in the long run. Say a cooling upgrade costs $500,000, but save $100,000 in energy annually. After 5 years, you will be broke even, and from then on, you will saving money plus making positive impacts on the planet. But everything that sounds good always have a challenge and also the roadblocks. What's holding us back from fully green everywhere? A few things. Of course, it's all about cost. Not all companies can afford the big investment upfront, especially smaller firms. And there is the tech side also. Some green cooling system needs specific climates to work well, and renewable energy isn't always reliable everywhere yet. But despite this challenge, more companies are seeing that the benefits for the long run, financially and environmentally, are worth it. So, can data centers really go green? Of course it is, but it's still a journey. The industry is making real progress now with renewable energy, innovative cooling system, and also the energy efficiency. It's not a complete transformation overnight, of course, but every step will be count. And the cool thing is, as tech demand for sustainability is still growing, the option will only get better. So here's for a future where our digital lives are a little lighter on the planet. So, thanks for tuning in with me in Yahya's Research. If you are excited about sustainable tech as I am, don't forget guys to subscribe for more deep dives like this. And if you have questions, thoughts, or your own ideas regarding any issue, just drop them in the comments. Let's keep the conversation on going how we can make the difference for our planet one innovation at a time. Catch you next time.